Really, bitches. Really. Hey guys, welcome to the Full Octane Garage. Just to set the stage for this video, you know we're good friends with NormalGuy, SuperCar, Dan, and his 458 Ferrari. He's been through Nashville a few times and checked out the Full Octane Garage. Dan ran into an issue. He's on the BullRunGT Rally from Dallas, and they were coming down through Nashville the other day, and he had a problem. He had a problem with a leak from the rear end of his Ferrari. Didn't know what it was, suspected it was oil or some other fluid. It was all over the back of his car, and so he had kind of an emergency. So who does he turn to? Well, he flipped me a text and let me know he was in Memphis and headed east, and I told him that we would make our garage and our lift available, whatever we could do. And so this video starts off with Dan rolling in and us headed to Kurt's house to see if we can't resolve his problem and get him back on the road. Welcome to the Full Octane Garage.
All right.
Oh, you're recording.
NormalGuy, SuperCar.
I thought you were doing a picture. I was like,
And your name again?
Justin.
Justin.
Yay, we're here.
In the 458.
The
which
beat
has
up.
Received some wounds. Well, shit.
Yeah.
Are you leaking oil in my driveway right now? Because that'd be awesome.
Probably a little. Not a ton.
little drop.
Do you guys need to use a restroom or anything? Anything before we head over there? Look at that. Rally bitches.
Rally bitches.
Rally bitches.
You hear my awesome exhaust with your cool car. Really, bitches.
Really.
Honey, I'm home. Dan, Kurt, Dan.
Pleasure, finally. Get to meet you.
And Justin?
Justin. Oh, hold on. It's gonna be pissed off.
I drink a lot of Diet Coke, Justin, so I'm going to ask him. Look at the amount of difference in that height.
That's cool.
Wow.
Hey
man, how's it going?
To my buddy.
Hey, Kurt.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, finally get to.
Yeah, finally get to meet
Yeah, I know. I was like, I've seen videos of you. I've been to your house before when you were.
Kurt's the wealthy half of a Full Octane Garage.
I'm right a 22 socket guy.
That means nothing to me.
And a 10 mil. Yeah, it's all European.
I'm knocking down N6.
Oh, man. Welcome to the Full Octane Garage.
Oh, this is sick.
It's a 92 NSX. That's our little project car that we bought to flip, and we just can't get rid of it now because we love it so much. This is a 31 Auburn Phaeton, a 60 vet, obviously. A C1 Corvette, which is absolutely mint car. Yeah, wins a lot of awards. And this is the heart and soul of the future 63 split window right here. Isn't that badass? I would, if it had a seat, I would drive it just like it sits.
Go-kart.
Yeah, we're proud of that. That's gonna be really cool when it's done. I want it to be awkward with just you drinking by yourself.
Come on, man.
What do we got here? Is there another Bud Light?
That's like there's a rolling rod.
Yingling. Is this gonna be a quick?
We don't know yet.
Don't have an idea.
I
It's a
hope
process
so.
of discovery.
It is.
I mean, this is a lot better.
It's
We only
one
charge
of
$50 an hour on this ride.
It's only one of three things. It's either.
This looks like the man that's pulled these screws out before.
Just a couple times.
I forgot that we weren't just gonna look under here and see a drain plug.
No. That's why I was like, yeah, if you got a lift.
Yeah, I can see why.
Because I was like, well, so my one friend in Memphis was like, oh, I could swing by. I've got a jack, and I'm like, yeah.
Here you go.
You sure you don't want a beer, Dan?
I will in a minute.
There you go.
Oh yes.
Look at this. This is how we roll here.
Yeah, I'm like a man.
Other souvenirs
No, I did not.
to Dan.
No. We bought a beautiful picture together, though.
Yeah.
Aw. Was it in that heart-shaped bed? Well, that's handy as hell.
That's really nice. That was way easier. Okay.
Well, you got to buy a lift for your garage now.
Where is it coming from now? Here. Some. This is dry.
Don't you need to look up front where the engine is? Jump to see.
It looks like
But it doesn't look like it's.
that's not from that. 4mm Allen's.
So we pulled out the bottom tray, now we're pulling the diffuser off.
Yep. Do you like a leaf, James?
Okay, thank you.
You have some. Take it outside so I'm not getting crap all over your garage. Well, it's definitely not from the engine.
There you go.
It's definitely up here. That's trans fluid. That went. It's a gearbox oil, not. This is definitely super light.
Yeah.
So that's motor oil.
I think it's leaking around.
Yeah, it's all over that too.
You good, brother? Look, he's quite ninja-like. Blows out.
Yeah. You gotta have your foot on the brake. Yeah. Normal cars.
That's not as fine.
You want paper towels?
Yeah.
Sorry, brother.
You know what we can do? Clean that shit really nice. Let's clean the weld on it.
Seriously?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I'll do it.
Yeah. That'll slow it down.
That's it right there. Fucking hell.
Yep. So you can rip it out. Well, we're going to tape the transmission up so that we don't get any of this quick steel on it. And then what we'll do is we'll mix a bit of this stuff up and we'll glob it on there with a ball.
See, everybody should have a Kurt. Dan, you need a Kurt.
I do.
Oh, you got a Kurt. What's his name
Oh,
down there?
Josh.
Yeah, that's right.
That's my Kurt.
Then Dan got some bad news. In talking to Josh back home, Josh revealed that it was a transmission oil leak, not a engine oil leak. right, we're gonna raise it back up and put some duct tape on it.
And then let's set.
That's enough, or you want some more?
That looks pretty good. Looks like a pretty good glob.
Squishy.
Looks like modeling clay. Justin, you could wrap your arms around him and we'll play that theme song from the Everly Brothers. Like we're watching Ghost here. Romantic moment.
Let it harden for a little bit.
Yeah.
Blow on it, Dan.
What a job.
Well, the quick sealer didn't work, so it was back to the drawing board. Looks like we're going to go with some fuel line hose and a hose clamp and see if we can take care of the leak. All right.
Film that.
Second part.
Yes.
We're going to try some rubber fuel line hose and a couple hose clamps.
Yeah.
I think we'll wipe it down and see if anything leaks.
Yeah.
See if we got to tighten it anymore. We've got the slit up around top.
Now that we've got the hose clamp installed, Dan's going to take it around the block, put some pressure on it, and see if it will hold. I could listen to that all day long. Oh, man. On a side note, we could hear Dan's exhaust from about a mile away. Great upgrade. We heard Dan a mile away easily. We'll put it back on the lift. Check to see if running it create any more of a leak issue. Well, the leak repair held.
There you go.
And so we put the car back together, and then it was time to say goodbye to Dan and Justin while they went back to the rally. That's close. See you guys. Be careful. Well, we got Dan and Justin back on the road. They completed the rally and got back to Austin safely. Always great to see Dan. He stopped by Nashville a couple times in the last year. I guess we owe him a trip. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. We'll see you soon.